first Bhool Bhulaiya, Vidya, did you ever imagine or did you expect कि यार when you saw the screening also of Bhool Bhulaiya, the first one, did you imagine कि yeah, this is going to become a sequel after sequel, it will become a franchise?
There was no thought of a sequel. There was no example of a sequel or of a franchise at that time. There was no question of it. You know, I was just glad that I had gotten to play Monjalika and had received so much love. And I'll tell you, this is one of those roles in films that continues to give.
The kind of face off and the Jugalbandi that you had with Madhuri Dixit. What was your first thought when you were told that you are doing this with Madhuri Dixit?
Yeah, so originally it was supposed to be a song with only me.
Yeah.
So I was nervous about that because I was like, oh my god, that song is so loved. And on every reality show, it's a song that has been most performed to. So I was like, oh my god, how am I going to do it? And then they threw another googly at me and they say, once Madhuri ma'am said yes, they said, I had a sneaky feeling they're going to say this, and they did say it. They said, we want you all to do the song together.
Oh my god.
I was like, you'll have to give me rehearsal time, but that didn't quite happen.
So we are actually like Bhool Bhulaiya 3. We are recasting Vidya movies
Okay.
by Vidya Balan. So, Parinita.
Parinita Saif and Sanju. Sanjay Dutt की जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता. I'm
I know,
sorry.
it's tough. It's very tough. Hey guys, I'm Manjari Mukherjee and you are watching me on Pop Diaries channel. With my smile, it is very easy to guess who I am sitting down in a conversation with. She's just that special. मतलब अगर ऐसे भी मिल लूँ ना तो स्माइल आ ही जाएगी. कुछ रील देख लूँ तो स्माइल आ जाती है. इतनी ज़्यादा मेरे दिल के करीब है. बट यू नो ऐसे नहीं करना इंट्रोडक्शन. मुझे अपने स्टाइल में करना है, वही अंदाज में. एंड सो हियर वी गो. दो दिलों की प्रेम कहानी ले आए देखो कहाँ. इन लकीरों में मिलना अपना था जन्मों पहले लिखा. हमारे मिलन को है तरसे जो नैना, इन्हें आज ना रोकना. जुदा अब ना होंगे, करो हमसे वादा, मेरा साथ ना छोड़ना. तुम्हें आज पाएंगे अमर ही जाएंगे, ये ख्वाब ना तोड़ना. आमीजे तुम्हार
क्या बात है.
तुझे तुम्हार आमीजे तुम्हार. Thank you so much, Vidya.
You sing beautifully. Thank you.
That was for you.
Thank you so much. That was beautiful.
Thank you so much. But I think you should know why you. I mean, I don't know. It's not even about deserving anymore. It's like your whole personality, the way how you are on screen and off screen, Vidya. I have tremendous amount of respect for you, not just as a fan of your movies and your characters, but also as a person. Seriously.
Thank you so much.
And I have to tell you this as well, you were the first one to break that stereotype that heroines have to be glam dolls on screen. You are someone who's so simply yourself on screen and you're just the character. How do you do that? When you look back at this tremendous journey that you had in the industry, doing so many different kind of roles and with so much of simplicity, how do you do it and how you look back to it?
My God, can I just keep listening to you talk about me? I love it. Thank you so much. But I haven't thought about it. I think I'm not a glamorous woman, you know, and I'm very grateful that the roles that I've done didn't require me to be glamorous. I think it was just a matter of timing. You know, the role of the Hindi film heroine was evolving in a certain direction, and I showed up at that time. And I think our, you know, things just worked out in the best possible manner for Hindi cinema. And for me, I'm saying for Hindi cinema because the narrative of the Hindi film heroine was changing. So I'm very glad because it's not a conscious decision. It's just not who I am. And I've just accepted that, you know. Some people do glam so effortlessly and gorgeously, and I don't, and that's okay.
Wow.
Yeah. Previously, I wanted to be glamorous. Like you think Rekha, you'll think Dimple Kapadia, and oh my God, they're so glamorous. There's Deepika Padukone, and anything she does looks glamorous.
Very
Kareena
glamorous.
Kapoor,
True, very true.
you know, but I'm not that person. But I am me, and I
But
like
that
who I am. So
And it is so beautiful. I just have to tell you that even if you think it's not glamorous, it's just you thinking like that.
right.
Because when I see you in Sheni, I still see a connection with that character. I feel what she's feeling, and somehow that kind of builds a certain kind of perspective in my mind. And I think it's for the whole audience, whoever is watching you. When we see you in Bhool Bhulaiya also, this time that we saw you in Bhool Bhulaiya 3, the first thing was like, wow, she's looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
And when I
thank
looked at you at Parinita, I don't know, I have to say this to you. Last night I was watching Parinita.
Oh! The last time we met also you had watched Parinita. Isn't
Yes.
that right?
Because I love the movie so much. It's very close to my heart. So I was watching Parinita and I said the same, and I thought the same thing, that she is brilliant. She doesn't change. There is no change in the way how I see you. Or maybe
Thank
it is
you.
because you don't change at all, even after so long in the industry. You don't change the way how you want to act and how you want to put yourself out there. So for me, that is what glamour means, honestly.
Oh wow, thank you.
So yeah, if I'm connecting to a character, like I always do for all your movies, I feel that is a point of glamour for me,
right.
especially. And I get entertained by your
I
movies.
love this expansive definition of glamour. I was talking more in the conventional sense, but thank you.
When you did the first Bhool Bhulaiya, Vidya, did you ever imagine or did you expect कि यार, when you saw the screening also of Bhool Bhulaiya, the first one, did you imagine कि yeah, this is going to become a sequel after sequel, it will become a franchise, it will create an iconic character like Manjulika?
No, there was nothing, there was no thought of a sequel, there was no example of a sequel or of a franchise at that time. There was no question of it. You know, I was just glad that I had gotten to play Manjulika and had received so much love. And I'll tell you, this is one of those roles in films that continues to give. So for 17 years, I've received so much love for this film. So, but at that time, there was no question. I don't think it even crossed my mind. I was happy that the film did so well.
But it's iconic.
Yeah,
and
it really.
It's beautiful how it has kind of created its own franchisee and fan base.
Yeah, yeah.
And especially
true.
the character of Manjulika.
Yeah.
I am actually, it's a funny story. I am actually called Manjulika a lot of time. When the first film released,
Yeah.
I was being teased in my school with that name. Because
Really?
I was Bengali and I used to sing. And that time I used to dance also, so that's why that time.
Oh my
And
God.
now again, it was only in Bhool Bhulaiya 2 that Karthik called me Manjulika in front of everybody.
Really?
Yes. And उसके बाद से हो गया है. अभी even coincidentally shopkeepers also mistake me for Manjulika. My name.
Manjari Mukherjee.
Yes.
Okay.
It's Manjari Manjulika.
Ah.
It's a very funny coincidence. But
I like it.
right. My feelings same.
Yeah.
I like it. You know, the first thing that I noticed in Bhool Bhulaiya, I think I really went because of that, was the kind of face off and the jugalbandi that you had with Madhuri Dixit. Like, wow. I couldn't take my eyes off from that
you.
dance, the face off, the kind of presence that you guys had during the whole film.
Thank you.
I really couldn't take my eyes off and you were terrific.
Thank you.
But what was your first thought when you were told that you are doing this with Madhuri Dixit?
Yeah, so originally it was supposed to be a song with only me.
Yeah.
So I was nervous about that because I was like, oh my God, that song is so loved. And on every reality show, it's a song that has been most performed to. So I was like, oh my God, how am I going to do it? And then they threw another googly at me and they say, once Madhuri ma'am said yes, they said, I had a sneaky feeling they're going to say this, and they did say it. They said, we want you all to do the song together.
Oh my God.
I was like, you'll have to give me rehearsal time, but that didn't quite happen. But I remember I was promoting Do Aur Do Pyar, I think the last time we
Yes.
met. In between promotions, whenever I got time, I went and rehearsed with Chinni Masters, Chinni Prakash ji's assistant Monisha. Whenever, whether it was half an hour or it was 4 hours, I was there at rehearsal. For 2 weeks, along with promotions, I've done this.
Oh my god.
And there were some days that when I couldn't, obviously, because it was, we were doing so much. But I'm glad I worked hard.
Shows.
Because, then I could enjoy the shoot.
Yes.
Because I was ready. I was ready with the song, and I wanted to savor this moment of being able to perform with Madhuri Dixit.
Yeah, absolutely. And I have to give you hats off.
Thank
It
you.
was terrific.
Thank
Truly.
you,
It was
thank you.
effortless.
Oh, thank you.
And on that note, I want to ask you, there was this moment that happened during the launch of Ami Je Tumha 3.0, and it was a takeaway for people like us, because we are always in the moment in front of cameras again and again. So for us, it was a takeaway that the show must go on no matter what happens with you. And it was so graceful.
Thank you.
Seriously, you gave me that lesson. I took that lesson because I get very nervous and conscious when I do a mistake in front of cameras or ऐसे भी audience के सामने,
Right.
But you gave me that takeaway and it meant a lot to me at that
Oh,
moment.
thank you.
I want to know, in life, what was that first lesson that you learned that made you the way you are today?
I think it's just, they say children learn not by being told but by example.
Yes.
And I think I've watched my parents and learned from them. I remember my father was thrown out of a job after being falsely accused of some wrongdoing.
Oh my God.
And he was shattered. He's like, if there is a Raja Harishchandra alive, it has to be him. So, it was very damaging and heartbreaking for him. But he went around telling people that this is what has happened, because he said, I have nothing to hide. I have nothing to be ashamed of. And similarly, my mom, when she doesn't know anything, she will never be ashamed to ask. She's constantly learning. So I think, because a lot of people have been asking me this, and I was also thinking, where did that come from? Because in that moment, you're not thinking, you're just. And I realized that my parents have taught me through example that it's okay to fall,
Very true.
even if people are watching. It doesn't
good.
matter. What's more important is that you get up. I think, and I realize that I have imbibed that from them,
True.
knowingly, unknowingly, watching them. So I really feel it's because of them that I did what I did on stage, because I didn't do it consciously.
That is, oh my God, that's very heartwarming. Thank you for sharing that with me. And it's not a Pop Diaries interview if I'm not closing this on a fun note.
Yes, of course.
So we are actually like Bhul Bhulaiya 3. We are recasting Vidya movies
Okay.
by Vidya Balan.
Why recasting?
I would want you to be in every one of them, but अगर कुछ और recast करना है तो you can recast.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Yeah,
करते
like
हैं.
Dirty Picture में.
हाँ.
With you. Who else?
अच्छा, with me.
Yeah.
Who else?
Because I can't think of Vidya Balan movies again be happening without you. So
Okay, so we'll think internationally.
let's manifest. Oh my God, dream come true.
Yeah, dream come true. So it would be, oh my God, internationally, who can we think of? I would have liked Robert De Niro to play Nasir Saab's role.
Oh my God,
Yeah?
this is superb. Oh
Isn't
my God.
it?
Yes.
Were the young...
Let's take
Tom
Leonardo.
Holland.
Let's take Leonardo.
Leonardo?
Imran Hashmi. Yes. He would
Leonardo,
do
चलो दे दिया उसको इमरान हाशमी का रोल.
it. Okay, my favorite.
And
तुम्हारी
Tushar
favorite. Yeah,
Kapoor?
Yes, yes, please.
Tom Holland?
Oh,
Ah,
cute.
yeah.
Oh my God, my favorite. Okay, तुम्हारी सुल्लू.
तुम्हारी सुलू मानव कौल's role? यार मानव कौल के रोल में George Clooney, because at least that way he'd play my husband.
Nice. Nice. Okay, last one. Parinita.
Parinita, Saif and Sanju. Sanjay Dutt की जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता. I'm
I know,
sorry.
it's tough. It's very tough.
Actually, इन सब की जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता, पर we are just having fun. सैफ की जगह पे, yeah, internationally. Say who?
Yeah, I was thinking the same name, Tom Cruise.
Really?
Yeah, because he has that rich vibe, Babu Moshai type vibe going.
What about Brad Pitt?
Ooh,
Yeah, I think
Really
Brad
good.
Pitt.
really good. Oh my god.
इन सबको हम काम दे ही देते हैं.
Well, that was Vidya Balan, completely unplugged. Thank you so much for being
Thank
as warm
you.
as you are always. And as I keep saying, Vidya ma'am, please don't change. I love you the way you are. You are an inspiration to me every time I meet you.
How sweet.
So thank
Thank you so much.
And before
I
I close,
enjoy meeting you.
and this was me, Manjari Mukherjee, in conversation with Vidya Balan. Please do go and watch Bhool Bhulaiya 3 if you haven't already. The climax is beautiful. I'll just say that. It's beautiful, stunning and shocking. And obviously, don't forget Vidya Balan and Madhuri Dixit together in one movie. Kahan milega aisa chamatkar? So please go and watch Bhool Bhulaiya 3 in theatres near you. And until then, what will you do? You'll watch this space for more interviews and this interview. Comment, share, subscribe and don't forget to click on that bell icon. I'm Manjari Mukherjee. Bye.
Bye.